Every night and every day, every night and every day, never forget to say La ilaha illallah. Never forget to say La ilaha illallah. When you're walking down the street, is you time and repeat and say in every heartbeat La ilaha illallah, and say in every heartbeat La ilaha illallah. আমাদের প্রভু এক নবীর উম্মত, জীবন বিধান এক, ওই শিবানী কোরআন।